Hey, my friend, welcome to the first lesson in Module 1. Listen, I'm really excited to actually take you through this process because really in online marketing, it becomes like a game with predictable outcomes when you do specific things in the proper order, right? See, I see a lot of people are failing out there, and it's just mind-boggling that everybody's doing what the majority is doing, right? They're chasing these shiny objects out there. A year goes by, 2 years go by, and they're still struggling to make income because they're making the same mistake over and over again. Okay, listen, I want to congratulate you for actually being in the right place at the right time, because I'm going to show you how you can literally go to $10,000 in your first 30 days if you follow the plan that I lay out in front of you. Okay, this is proven years of experience. This is what I learned the hard way, and it's given amazing results to us and our students and people who actually follow a specific plan. Okay, the same way that I'm going to show the same plan that I'm going to share with you. So listen, there's just like a few tools, a few elements that you need to set up your business, and it'll run for you on full automation, right? And a lot of people don't take the time to do this, so they're just making the same mistakes over and over again and leaving out these handful of very important elements that can really help them get to really fast results. To the big results a lot quicker if they weren't jumping around all over the place. Make sense? Let's get right into it. What I'm going to do is actually like grab a little whiteboard here, right? And just share with you a kind of layout so you can see the full business model that we're going to set up here from a bird's eye view. And you'll realize it's not that complicated, my friend. Like, check it out over here. This is going to be our business model that we're going to set up, right? All right, so number one is we want to make sure any kind of business you're running online, right? You want to make sure you have like a domain name, okay? So it's like a custom website domain, okay? And it's kind of like workwithp.com. Makes sense? I'll show you how to get that. Very simple. So I guess that's like, number one thing that we need, right? Domain. I'd say domain and tracking, okay? See, tracking is a cool tool that you can have run for you also and keep track of your whole business. It's really awesome. You need it, right? If you want to scale up. So domain and tracking, I'd say we really need those. And we need a funnel builder, okay? Funnel builder is something that allows you to build like your own custom landing page. I'll show you how to do that. Not that complicated at all. We need a funnel builder, and we need like an auto responder, okay? Okay, autoresponder is just a service that takes your people through like a sequence where it sends follow-up emails on your behalf. It's in full automation. It's really cool. You just got to set it up. I'll show you how to write them, set them up, all that good stuff in the upcoming lessons below, right? And then, of course, we need a product, right? All right, a product. All right, so check it out. That's really it. That's really it. Look, this is our business model. We need a domain name and some tracking, a tracking service. We need a funnel builder, autoresponder product. Done deal, my friend. In fact, let me do this quick and I'll just kind of lay out. Let me do this. Like, let's say this is our product, right? Okay. Let's say this is like our, this is like our landing page. And right up here somewhere is going to be like your tracking component. Your custom domain will be like right here. And yeah, I mean, this is not much to it once you look at it this way. Look, this is really all we have to do. So check it out. Like if we, let me put some arrows. Let me do this. I'll draw some arrows over and say your domain is like your custom link. People click and they go to your landing page. Your tracking like tracks everything for you, right? Tracks your whole business so you can see it from a bird's eye view. And then we got your landing page, takes them directly to the product that will pay you money, right? And then when they go to a landing page, they opt into your email list, and then your autoresponder sends messages on your behalf, takes them back to the product that pays you the money, right? This is where you make the commissions right here, my friend, all right? Boom, cash, the good stuff, right? All right, so that's pretty much it. Now check it out. Look, we have tracking here. We have a, let's see, we have a domain here, domain name, okay? And then this is like your landing page, LP, right? And this is your email list. So we'll just say email. okay? Email list, so this is like your autoresponder, right? And here's your product, right? That's your product right there, product. That's it. That's the few elements that I'm going to show you how to set up in this module in the following lessons. Cool? So now in this particular video, what I want to do is help you hand select the best product, okay? So what I'm going to do is actually show you exactly the few things to look for when you're selecting a product. It's a product that can actually be very scalable. It'll pay you really big commissions, right? And it will pay you multiple sources of money. Okay, really cool stuff. And you want to choose the best quality. So let's get right into that. I'll actually show you how you can start doing that, right? And let's go over here back on my whiteboard. And what we'll do is let me do this, right? I'll erase all this, right? Okay. And let's do this. When we're selecting a product, right? Like let's say this is our product, okay? So our product is this little box right here, okay? So what is a good product to promote and make money from? Okay, so here's the few things that I'm going to look for when I'm selecting a product, okay? If I was starting from total beginning, from scratch, knowing what I now know, not making those same mistakes I've made before, so I don't have to start losing thousands of dollars, but start making thousands of dollars. Make sense? All right, cool. So check this out. When I'm looking for a product, I want to find a product that's in a good niche, okay? In a good niche. A niche is like an industry. This means like health and wellness is a niche. Make money online is a niche. Investing, something like travel is a niche. Makes sense? So it's like an industry, right? So we want to locate a good niche. We want to get behind a good company, okay? Solid company, okay? Company. And we want to have a good digital product, okay? Digital. And the reason is because this is scalable. When you sell a digital product, right, you can actually have it be fulfilled for you, sold, delivered direct to the customer without you having to ship it out. And it's all done on automation. You don't even have to really be there. You could go away on a vacation for a week and your business will run and you can still make money. Once you set it up, right? Make sense? So that's why I strongly recommend find a good niche, get behind a decent company, and find a digital product, okay? Make sure it's a digital product. And then it's very scalable. Then you're off to the races and you can start making good money, okay? So here's what I look for when I select a product, okay? Oops, I don't know why my little product got away from me. But my product, okay, my product needs to have a few components. If you, look, my friend, if you want me to show you how to get to $10,000 in 30 days, you can't just promote any product. I'll be honest with you, okay? I've literally been through hundreds and hundreds of products, companies, and I looked in the different niches, and there's just like only a handful that I can even consider recommending that will get you the good results, okay? A lot of the stuff out there is garbage. Look, the top couple percent of all marketers are making the biggest cash out there in marketing. Look, in direct sales, which is online marketing, fits into that category, paid out just in the US in 1 year, it's like multiple billions of dollars. And what's crazy is only the top like 3-4% of all the people are making over 90% of that. Isn't that crazy? So selecting the right product is crucial, my friend, if you want to get to that 10K in 30 days. So I'm confident I can get you there, right? I can't guarantee anything because I don't know if you're going to take action on this, but I'm confident I can get you there if you follow this plan, and I'll help you choose the right product here, okay? If you follow that plan. Okay, so let's get back into this. So here's my whiteboard again, right? All right, so we have our product box. So here's what I'm looking for as far as a product goes, okay? I want to make sure that this product is top quality, okay? Top quality product, okay? Make sense? Number two, what I'm looking for is I want to make sure that this product, right, is actually allows me to be a part of a ecosystem. And what is an ecosystem? Okay, so an ecosystem is something like an iTunes model, makes sense, or an Amazon model. So if you say redirect somebody to Amazon, anything they buy in that marketplace, you get commissions for all the products, Pretty cool, yeah? But most products don't allow you to do that. They only let you recommend that one product, and when they buy that product, and if they add a bunch of other stuff to their shop cart, the company doesn't pay you commissions for that. So when you're part of an ecosystem that pays you for all the products inside the system, right? Then you have a good thing working for you, okay? So really important to have an ecosystem that will pay you for everything, okay? All right, so that's what an ecosystem is, all right? And then another thing I'm looking for when I'm choosing a product is something that pays me from MSI. This stands for multiple sources of income. So initially I want to be paid from multiple streams of income. And my product, if I'm choosing a good product, right, I'm looking for these three things right here, okay? My product needs to deliver all these three. Make sense? So it can put me in an ecosystem and pay me multiple sources of income, and anything people buy in that ecosystem, I get commissions for it, right? You get commissions for it as an affiliate. Make sense? So you don't have to create the products, you're just selling other people's products, not from another company. Make sense? I also want it to be top quality. This means that there's a low refund rate. People are loving, the products. They become the solution to their problems they were looking for. Make sense? And you are the solution provider. So this is the best setup to have when you're choosing a product. Make sense? So listen, my friend, I've literally been through hundreds of companies. There's very few ecosystems that even pay you on everything they have inside the platform. And there's even fewer that pay you from multiple streams of income. Make sense? But I hand selected one for you that's getting us the best results right now for me and our students. And it pays us from multiple sources of income. It allows us to be a part of their ecosystem. From everything they sell for us, we get commissions, whether it's a month later, 3 months later, 5 years later. Make sense? It's solid, solid, solid. Plus, it's the top quality products. And it's in the make money online niche. That's one of the biggest mass appealing niches out there. Everybody wants to make money online. People are losing their jobs. They're going to the online industry. This is a solution for, I think, everybody. Okay. That's why it's in the biggest niche. It's in the biggest industry, and it pays us from multiple sources. In fact, let me show you, my friends, some of the, I can show you some of the commissions here. And the ecosystem that I'm talking to you is it's called the 4%. The concept here is only the top 4% of people, and statistically, right, make like 96% of all the results that's been made. And vice versa. Isn't that crazy? Over 90% of people are making like a couple percent when they do things wrong. So I want you to be in the top 4% there, in the top 3-4% of all income earners, right? So this is actually direct from 4%. Check it out. Look, it already paid me $4,700, okay? Plus, and this is just in a recent short time, it actually paid me more than that. Plus, it connects me to multiple streams of income. Look, it paid me $2,500 from this income stream. Here's another one of my affiliate accounts. It paid me over $8,000 from this income stream, okay? And it paid me, here's another one. It paid me almost $14,000 just from this income stream. Listen, I did not promote any of those income streams directly. I did not spend one penny on promoting any of those products, okay? The ecosystem, the 4% ecosystem promotes them for me, and I'm making all this money. My friend, I just showed you like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, sources of income. This ecosystem plugs us into like 20 or 30 income streams. Plus, it gives you access to the whole ecosystem in the marketplace of the 4%. This is solid. So listen, if I want to get you to $10,000 fast in like the next 30 days or less, right? Depends if you're an action taker. This is the best program that I can recommend. So what I'm gonna do for you is I displayed a button below this video, okay? This is the same company we're rolling with our students, and it's getting us tremendous results. So listen, if you go ahead and click the button, get positioned for that product. It's called the 4% Marketing Success Challenge, okay? So the 4% Challenge, this means like it's a marketing challenge. It's actually focused on getting you to your 10K in 30 days. It's gonna give you all the right resources, the training, very solid. You'll be taught by one of my top mentors, okay? Who helped me understand how to go from zero and just making a little bit, scraping by, to literally getting to a point where I was able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales for other companies, and I would get commissions from that. Isn't that cool? If you want to roll with us with the same product that has a strong ecosystem, and it provides the top quality, compliant with everything, and it's getting us multiple streams of income, my friend, this is very, very scalable. This is the fastest way I know how to get you to your first 10,000 and beyond per month. Okay, so what I strongly recommend, if you click that button below, watch the presentation video. Vic Strizers, my mentor, in fact, is going to walk you through the 4% ecosystem. He's going to explain how it works, and get plugged in, get set up, follow through, my friend, and I will see you on the next lesson, and we'll continue to set up your whole business. So get plugged in into that 4% ecosystem, my friend, by clicking the button below, and I'm excited to help you get to your first 10K fast, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.